work. Today, we traveled 3 hours to Seoul. Finally, we're here. Are we? 안녕. 안녕. 저희는 지금 서울로 도착했습니다. 예! 예스! We are now at Seoul, Itaewon Airbnb. Itaewon, This is the neighborhood, and that is Namsan, Seoul. Key card. Payong. Then this is the entrance. So, rack, mirror, and then shoe racks, shoe cabinets. So, yan, may shoes. Then you have slippers kasi para mabawasan daw yung ingay sa baba, sa mga tao sa baba. And when you enter here, ito ang una. Yan. Medyo makalat na, but this is our kitchen. Ayan. And daming ref kasi parang dorm-like talaga siya. And super love ko na ang dami talagang storage. Wow. And kompleto. I think it's complete. Oh. Oh. Meron pang magandang aesthetic toaster. And then, ito, Tito Mark and Tita Janice. CR1. CR, ang aesthetic also. What's this? This is another CR. It's pink. And then we will go to the girls' room. Girls' room. Ang daming salamin. This is my space. This is a chill lounge area. Ito yung view. 안녕하세요. Oh, it's Nova. Si Nene. Kay Nene nakalat. 안녕하세요. Okay, go with me. You have to help me. Next room.
안녕하세요. Room tour 주세요.
Ito, Mommy and Daddy.
Omeng Matic.
Meron ulit dong area. Ne?
가자.
Here first.
This is Tita and
Wow. Pwede rin kayo dun, Lola, sa amin. Tita. The boys' room. The boys. The boys.
This is my kwarto. Ay,
May Pikachu. There's another boy. Kanino to? Ala! Ang daming candy! Huli! Huli!
Oh, si Jongwon.
This is the view. Ang ganda ng view dito. I love the view here. Oh, ito pa. Ang daming closet. Would recommend. Would. Oh, ito pa yung isang CR. CR? May tao? CR? Wow! CR?
Ano lang to, dressing area lang.
What the hell? Then bathtub. Dressing area nga.
Dressing area.
Grabe!
Towels.
Ang pangit kong mag-vlog, but...
Vlogs.
Oo. This is so satisfying. Baka storage room. Annyeong! Say hi!
Ganda. Apat kami. Paano kayo dito?
Hi! Hi! Hello, Tita Robby. Ito na, smile, smile. Smile lang maigi. Smile. Ganda na.
Spacious ng room ko.
Ito na yung vlog. Hi, vlog. Hi, Ate Kayla. Thank you.
Si 30 mag-isa.
Lahat sila matag-iisa. Lieutenant. We are in Itaewon. We are walking to Myeongdong to shop. Annyeong!
She's not that ice anymore.
We have finished our food trip.
Not yet finished.
Not yet.
Sabihin mo nga dyan.
Ano? Annyeong! Snowy, annyeong! Snowy, everyone! Guys, ito yung hike. This is the hike. Ayaw ko na! Mami, stop muna! Ayaw ko na! Ay, naro! Guys, si sister ako makahinga.
Is that from your mom?
No, it's for my phone.
I just busy.
Time for Uno.
Kita na. Mas maganda dyan. Natakas.
Hirap ito. Sige. Nini, look at Ate Kay. Look at me. Hi. Are you scared or not? Not scared.
Hi, Lola ko! We are at Namsan Seoul Tower! Annyeong!
Stay right, stay right.
Huwag mo na mag-take.
Annyeong! Annyeong! We're going down to enter the observation deck. The Seoul Tower Observatory.
Yes.
Let's go! It's a mall. 2,000 kilometers away. Hi, Manila! Yun, Mount Makiling. Charis. Naghahanap kami ng food. 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 Food for lunchy. Isa lang siya.
Wala nang tulugan po.
Siya ang malala.
Let's eat one behind her. Anong vibe?
Hi guys! Tingnan mo yung pogi. Si Jangwon, Ate Mai. Nasaan yung camera? Ate Mai, Ate Kayla. Hindi lumayo. Ayaw niya. Jocelyn, 안녕. 안녕하세요. magsalita ka Korea. Christmas. Okay.
Pwede
Ski!
tatlo dapat.
Honda! Munjo! Munjo! Ha?
Lahat ng pinagstayan natin ay ang ganda. Yung mga babayaran ko sa credit card, ang dami.
Yung cousins moment sa baba. Cousins moment, takot tayo, tapos nag-uuna tayo.
Top 1 niya.
Top one.
Snow.
Sa Muju.
Yes.
Siyempre, Moju, Ski, and Seoul.
Ano sa Seoul?
ABC
Mart.
The trip store.
Trip store. Sabi niya.
Myeongdong, Muju, kahit di ako nag-ski.
Okay.
Christmas party.
Mujo.
Muju.
That's fine.
When we watched videos,
In?
Muju.
In the Gewan Pension.
Yes.
Hey, what's your favorite part of the trip? Favorite?
What?
Ano favorite mong part ng Korea? Ha?
Mold.
Ano? Snow? Muju?
Sorry.
Seoul? Alin dito? Saan sa Seoul? Shopping? Dito sa bahay?
Bahay.
Laro? Okay.
Sadyang na yung bahay.
Pension house.
Hajungnim!
Alin doon?
I love you. The everyday,
Everyday living.
yes.
And Hajongnim.
And the vibes of the place.
And Hajongnim.
And
Biking.
we're like Koreans.
Sa Mojo.
Moju.
Sa Mojo.
Snow. Kasi
Sa
nag-iyakan.
Mojo po, saan po? Dun sa...
Pension house.
Pension house. Pwede din doon sa skating. Nag-iyakan. Kasi muntik na din makababa
Yun
si
talaga.
ate.
Ang daming isa. Road trip, laugh trip.
Okay, good.
Yung mga nagtatawanan sa road trip tayo. Tapos naghahanap ng kung ano-ano, tapos nawawala. Tapos kumakain sa bus. Yun.
Dami nun ah.
Ay, yun, road trip. Basta road trip memories.
Okay, road trip daw siya.